In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Brave feel like Arc using vertical tabs, profiles, and extensions. First, let's move your tabs to the left. Open Brave / settings appearance in the address bar, then turn on vertical tabs. If you prefer, you can also right-click any tab and select vertical tabs. This shifts your tab strip into a tidy sidebar, which is closer to Arc's layout and makes large tab collections easier to scan. Once enabled, you can collapse the sidebar when you want more room or keep it open for a persistent overview of your work. Next, let's clean up the look. In Settings, go to Appearance and choose a light or dark theme, or pick custom colors to match the minimalist style you're after. A high contrast accent color on a neutral background often mirrors Arc's calm, focused vibe. The goal here is consistency. Matching colors and a simple theme reduce visual noise and make the vertical tab columns stand out without feeling busy. To separate your work and personal worlds, create profiles that function like distinct spaces. Open more tools, then add new profile. Give each profile a name, pick a color and icon that are easy to tell apart, and you'll get isolated cookies, extensions, and history for each space. This is great for keeping work logins separate and for switching mental context quickly by launching the profile that matches the task at hand. For more powerful tab control, install a tab management extension such as Sidebury from the Chrome Web Store. It enhances the vertical tab bar with grouping, folders, and better organization, closely mimicking a sidebar workflow. After installing, pin the extension so it's easy to access. Then create folders for projects, collapse groups you're not using, and use its search to jump to tabs instantly. This brings structure without forcing you to change how you browse. Now, tune your keyboard shortcuts. Visit Brave/settings/system/shortcuts and set your preferred keys for opening, closing, and switching tabs or windows. If you want deeper customization like Arc-style peek previews or advanced corded shortcuts, consider a system tool like Carabiner Elements on macOS to remap keys globally. Keep changes simple at first so your muscle memory sticks. Finally, streamline Brave's interface. Disable features you don't use and customize the new tab page so it's clean and distraction-free. Hide content cards you never check, keep only the essentials like a clock or frequently visited sites, and choose a subtle background that won't compete with your sidebar. Put together, these tweaks give you an Arc-like experience inside Brave. Vertical tabs for clarity, a refined theme, profiles as spaces, organized sidebars, fast shortcuts, and a focused new tab page.